Have you ever felt like you've hit a wall? Like you've given it your all, but the finish line is nowhere in sight, and you're just ready to throw in the towel? We've all been there, staring at a dream that seems to be crumbling, a relationship that's falling apart, or a challenge that feels absolutely insurmountable. It's in those moments, when our own strength runs out, that it's so easy to believe it's over. But what if I told you that the end of your strength is often the beginning of a new chapter? There is a powerful idea that resonates deep within many of us. When we think our story has reached its final page, a higher power, God, looks at us and says, "Wait, it's not over yet. I'm just getting started." Think about it. The darkest hour is just before the dawn. The moment you feel you can't take another step is often the exact moment a breakthrough is about to happen. This isn't just wishful thinking. It's a perspective of hope. It's about understanding that our view is limited. We see the closed door, but we don't see the new, bigger door that's being prepared for us just around the corner. So, how do we hold on when everything in us wants to let go? We start by shifting our focus. Instead of focusing on the size of the mountain, we focus on the power of the one who can move mountains. We take it one day, one breath, one small step at a time. Maybe today, that step is simply getting out of bed. Maybe tomorrow, it's making a phone call you've been putting off. Each small act of faith, each moment you choose to believe it's not over, builds momentum. Your current situation is not your final destination. The struggles you're facing are not the end of your story. They are part of the plot, building your character and strengthening you for the amazing things yet to come. So, if you're feeling weary today, take a deep breath. Remember that you are not alone in this journey. Your story is still being written, and the author has a beautiful ending in mind. Hold on, because the best is truly yet to come. Thanks for watching. If this message resonated with you, please like and subscribe for more encouragement.